Wow, man, what a stream. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you to everyone that tuned in. Thank you to everyone that subscribed. And yeah, hopefully you guys had a great stream. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Take it easy, guys. Peace. Yo, what's good, guys? My name is TSP. Welcome to my ultimate video editing and now streaming setup. I did a few new changes to my setup to make it my ultimate streaming setup. Let me show you what I did. Yo guys, TSP here from TSP Tech. Let me give you a tour. So welcome to my room. First up is the closet. I know it's just clothes. I got a bunch of hats here. What could be so special? Well, this is also my gear closet. It's also my only closet. So as you can see up here, we got boxes and boxes of old electronical items that I used to have. But yeah, and then we just got some other stuff right here, like the monitor. This is the Ergo Slider Plus that was given to me by I forgot the name already, but we got not one, not two, but 3 Google Home Minis. We have my custom-made YouTube plaque that I made in one of my classes in high school. We have the nifty 50 Canon 50mm lens, which we'll use to record some of the B-roll shots for this video. And that's pretty much it for the closet. Let's take a look at the rest of the setup. Okay, over here we have a creepy looking photo of me. And then over here we have a whiteboard I like to jot down some ideas on. And this is my most prized possession because on this side it says TSP and on this side it says Supreme. So, what's good? These are some of my video equipment. We have my slider, my tripod, my video lights. And over here we have my night table. As you can see, I have an extension cord going here and I got my wireless charger. Fun fact, I no longer plug in my phone to charge at night. I always put on the wireless charger and it charges overnight instantly. We have a Google Home Mini right here. We have my power bank, my Sesh wireless earbuds. I will be making a video on those soon. And a salt lamp. But other than that, that's pretty much my room tour. Thank you guys for watching. Oh wait, we forgot the setup. So this is my ultimate video editing and now streaming setup. So let me show you how this whole thing works. So to broadcast my live stream, I use Streamlabs OBS. As you can see, I got all my different views, sources, everything like that already inputted. If you guys want to make a full video on this, let me know in the comments below. But basically, I can change scenes right here. As you can see, I already got Fortnite loaded in. And then I have this neat intro that I actually made. Boom, plays my intro, and then green screens its way right into the actual live stream. And then you can go switch to gameplay like that. And you're probably wondering, how did I change the scene? Well, that's thanks to Streamlabs Stream Deck, which is an app you can get on mobile devices. And you can pretty much switch the scenes from your phone or iPad instantly. That's what I love, how it's so instant and there's no delay between both devices. So you can go here, face cam, boom, instant. Go to gameplay, boom, instant. I'll be back, face cam intro, that's where the intro is, and then just my screen. It's honestly probably the greatest app I've ever seen for any content creator, and good job Streamlabs. I guess this is one of the best apps I've ever seen. So it's really helpful just having it here. It's honestly one of the coolest things I've ever added to my setup. As you can see over here, we have my blue snowball mic. This is what I use to record the audio for this stream. And honestly, in my opinion, it is probably the best microphone you can pick up for sub $50. Any streamers or video creators out there, this is the mic to get. I keep it a little bit further away from my mouth because it catches me breathing a lot. So a little further away. Got my headphones right here to monitor my stream if I need to. And then we have my second laptop. This is my Asus E402MA. You guys remember I made a video on it. This used to be my old editing machine. I have my Twitch chat as well as my YouTube chat since I like to stream on both Twitch and YouTube. Over here I have a video light I can control with one simple click in case I want to stream at night. And as for the rest of the setup, it's pretty much the same as my ultimate $2,000 gaming / editing setup. Few things I've changed. I added a monitor stand, another Google Home Mini. We have my speakers, charger, and everything else is pretty much the same. Hand sanitizer. You can never have too much hand sanitizer right now. But I think that pretty much summarizes my ultimate streaming / editing setup. With that being said, guys, that is the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, you know what to do. Smash the thumbs up button down below. Subscribe if you're new. Follow me on social media. They're just at TSP Tech on all platforms. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. Stay safe, stay inside, stay hydrated. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.
About to leave. already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited